students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to your online classes. Yesterday we have finished that second chapter of your literature. Um, in a particular portion, I have decided to continue the class, means continue the chapter into 3 sections. So yesterday we have finished the first section and today we will start the second portion. Okay. Hopefully you have seen the statue that I sent you, that was a sculpture of goddess Athena. You loved it, right? Okay. So open your book at page number 18. If you have the book with you, then open page number 18 because we finished here last time. Okay. So let's read. Okay, let's see what happened at last with Medusa. Though it's yet to finish the chapter, another portion we have to read, then it will be revealed, but something you can definitely understand by today's class. Okay, so at last what happened, that in Parthenon, where the temple was there of the goddess, there Medusa went with her friends, and after watching everything she just said that those who are sculptor, means those who made these sculptures, they can um, they have a better subject, that is she herself, Medusa herself, than Athena. For what? For her beauty. So here we stopped yesterday. From the next stanza we will start today. Okay, so follow me. When Medusa passed the hallway and reached the altar, she sighed and said, "It is a beautiful temple. It is a shame it was wasted on goddess Athena, for I am much prettier than she is. Perhaps someday people will build a grander temple to my beauty." So now you can understand how proud she was about her beauty. That there one word is there, let me clear it first. Altar, mean when through the hallway she reached at the altar. Altar means a raised place like the table, basically in front of the god or goddess, where we put our things that we give as offerings. Okay, in front of the god or the goddess, one raised platform is there like the table where we keep our offerings. That place, he saw everything. She saw the sculpture of the goddess Athena, and she said that it is a good temple, but I am more prettier. I'm I'm prettier than Athena. So they have wasted, means those who have made this, they have wasted. It's better that she's just in a hope that someday one more grand temple will be made where her sculpture will be there. Okay, in this way she reacts, so boastfully she reacts. Next page, page number 19. Medusa's friend grew pale and priestess gasped when they heard her. So Medusa's friends grew pale means they became fearful. Okay, they just heard that what she is telling, how loudly she is telling about her beauty. What happened if the goddess become angry? Then what will happen? Because it is thought that Athena is blessed by the Athens is blessed by the goddess Athena. Okay, and the priestess, those who used to be there, those who are offering the things, those who are taking care of all the temple, the priestess gasped, means hold their breath. Oh my god, now what will happen if the goddess become angry with us and she not anymore blessed us? Then what will happen to Athens? Then people began to leave the temple as they feared what might happen if the goddess had overheard Medusa's rash remark. So the people, those who were present at that time, they used to rush, means they just get out of the temple as soon as possible. Why? Because they were afraid, they were fearful that if goddess Athena heard these things, what Medusa said, then how the goddess will react, nobody knows. So what will happen? So they just out of their fear, they just get out of the temple as fast as they can. All this while, Medusa was busy gazing proudly at her reflection in the large bronze door. Now you can see that she made a remark, she made a commented something, and out of her comment people get feared. The priestess also, they came out of the temple, but she is just praising her own beauty, just like nothing happens. What have I done anything wrong? No, I'm the prettiest, means I'm more beautiful than the goddess Athena. So I'm right. In this way, she was so casual that in between she was gazing, means looking here and there after everything that was there. And there was one door of bronze, that is made of a bronze. It was so clear that if someone stand in front of it, they can clearly see their face, and she was exactly doing that. And again she was praising her own beauty by herself. Okay, then follow the book. Suddenly her reflection wavered and the face of the goddess Athena appeared in front of her. So in the bronze door, whatever reflection of Medusa was there, Medusa can saw herself easily there, but somehow it was replaced by the reflection of Athena, the goddess Athena. It seems that the goddess has came to see, to tell something, or to show the right path to her. Okay, so the here another para is there. Goddess Athena said angrily. So finally when the goddess came, she was angry definitely. So goddess Athena said angrily, "You foolish girl, you think you are prettier than I am? I doubt it, and even if it were, there is more to life than beauty alone. While other walks, play and learn, you do nothing but boast and admire yourself. You should have your heart in the right place." So, in her angry voice, she said that you are thinking that you are so foolish. First of all, you are so foolish. You are thinking you are prettier than me. Even it is so. It may happen that you are prettier than me, but life is not about beauty. There are so many other works to play, to do the regular household works, then to read, then to means learn so many things, but you are doing nothing but to boast yourself, means to be proud, very proudful of yourself, that I'm so pretty, I'm prettier than anyone else. Now you can say I'm the prettiest after commenting on the beauty of goddess Athena. Okay, so the goddess said that all the time you are just wasting by praising yourself. You are just admired yourself, means praising herself. So you should have your heart in the right place. Now our heart is definitely in the right place, but have your heart in the right place means you should know the things properly. You should know the things properly, what is right and what is wrong. You should know that in life that is not only about beauty. There is so many things and that we should do. It's not that you will praise your beauty and you will doing the right thing. Okay, but my beauty is an inspiration to the others, and I make their lives better by simply looking lovely, justified Medusa. Now what Medusa said, again I am reading the line. But my beauty is an inspiration to others, and I make their lives better by simply looking lovely. Justified Medusa. Here justified means give a reply, that she said something, the goddess said something, and she is just trying to say that okay, it is fine. I have made comment because by my beauty I can inspire others. It is inspiration so that others can live better simply by looking lovely. The way I am means taking care of myself, when the people will see me, they will also start take care of themselves. And some people are there who after watching a beautiful girl, they will be inspired by it. So what I am doing, what I'm just only inspiring. To whom? To the other people. For what? For living better. Okay. Then definitely what you can see after this type of comment. Goddess Athena silenced with a frustrated wave. What Goddess Athena did? Goddess Athena silenced with a frustrated wave. Goddess Athena become silent. She became silent. Means after giving this type of justification of her comment, mm, Goddess Athena has no word left that what to tell this silly foolish girl. Will she be able to understand it ever, what life is and what she is doing, how she is wasting it? Okay, so he was frustrated. Means, as I said that I tried to means the goddess tried to make her clear that the meaning of life, what she do, what that she is not doing. She became frustrated that it is impossible to make the girl understand about it. And here, with this, we are stopping here. So I have read up to this. Here also in between only one or two words are there, that is just highlighted in blue color. You just read the meaning which is given in the bottom and the right side. Okay, then read the story carefully, and after that next day we will come back with the latter portion. Then you will see what happened when the goddess got angry. What she did with Medusa. Okay, till then take care of yourself. Bye bye.